Hey guys, so today I want to install these LED lights basically, and it's basically to change the color of the angel lights. They are now yellow, and it's the stock factory ones, and I want to change it to like LED style. So that's what today I'll be doing, and just kind of want to show you how it is. It's super simple. Probably will take me about like 10-20 minutes, but down below I got them from ECS tuning, and basically they're the cheapest ones, cheapest for the quality I guess that I found. But to start off, it's kind of hard to see. I'll try to get it to focus. You guys see this little knob right here? You can turn it and it turns clockwise if you're standing in front. Let's put that over here. And in here there's a few wires. Sorry for my hand just digging in there, but it's kind of hard to film it. All right, let me just get a better angle and let me just get it out and I'll try to get it. All right, so I got the bulb out, and it's basically put in like the way it's sitting right now, and it's kind of at an angle, and you gotta turn it counterclockwise and it pops out. It's kind of tight in there, as in like space wise, but yeah, basically we need to disconnect this one, and we're gonna pop this new one in there. So the new one comes in with this nice box. Basically just plug and play, as it's seen, and it fits a lot of BMWs, not just mine. But this is the 335D actually, and yeah. If you guys want to keep up with updates of what I do kind of to the build, I'm just making a series of videos on the car itself. It's an M57, and previous videos, or you can tell that I did quite some things to it. But this is the packaging right here, and there's for 2 sets, 1 on each. So as you can tell, these are they're gonna be much brighter. The LEDs basically, and yeah, they're just basically, I need to take this one out. So let me just take it out and plug this one in, but you're gonna have to stuff this little assembly in there as well. But this goes into the OEM clip, so which is right here actually. Careful when you pry it though. Alright, basically there's the clip. Just peel it back, there you go, and then the other side. Don't want to go too hard, just be gentle with it. Pops out, perfect. Yep. Alright, and then this is the new one, right? And basically it just pops back in. I would assume there you go. And before I put this all back in, I'm gonna turn on the LEDs, see if it works. Perfect. And notice how it's blinking. In real life it's actually, I don't know, it's just the camera effect. It tends to do this, but you know it works. And let me show you the before. So this is the before, and then this is after. This is after. Alright guys, so I installed the one on the right now, and it's blinking, I know, but that's the LED effect, and then that's the original one. The closer inner circle, it glows more because it's only one bulb per both the angel lights. So one bulb there, one bulb there. So the outer one's gonna be a little bit weaker, but still it has a nicer effect, I guess. It has a more modern, sleek look to it. So yeah, how they both look, but that's the before and after basically. Alright guys, so this is how the headlights turned out to be after. I completely fell in love with them, so just please drop a like and subscribe for more content coming. Thanks.